This is Teacher Jen, and I'm visiting my mom at her house, and I just noticed outside the window there is a nest. And right now there's just one bird in the nest.
I thought there was two.
There were two birds.
So while the bird was gone, I decided to come over and stand on a stool here and see if I can videotape and show you a little more closely what her nest looks like. I know that there was a group of children in Tali's art studio class a couple of weeks ago who noticed that Tali had a little bird's nest sitting in the middle of the art table. And all of you took some time to look at it and think about what it takes to make a bird's nest. Whoop, hi. That's the decoration bird that my mom set up here on the rafters. That's what this is called, the rafters. It's just underneath the roof of a structure. Let's look really carefully and see what we can make out of what this nest is made out of. How did these birds make this nest? They don't have hands. How do they get these branches up here in the rafters? And then what do they do with them afterwards? Think about it. I'm wondering, are you? And why do birds build nests? What do they need a nest for? I'm gonna see if I can go even closer into the nest. Oh my goodness. Do you see what I see that's inside the nest? What's inside of those eggs? Okay, I'm gonna walk away now because I wanna make sure this bird feels safe to come back to take care of those eggs in her nest.
Guess what, everybody? She's back. Mama bird is back. There she is, back in her nest. And now we know why she's there. She's taking care of the eggs that will eventually crack open and baby birds will emerge. Baby birds will come out of the eggs, and then the mama bird and the daddy bird will collect all kinds of food for them and bring them back to the nest to feed the baby birds. Do you happen to know what kind of things baby birds eat? I'm wondering. So the mama bird has tried to fly back into her nest a couple of times in the last few minutes. But then she flies away. And I think it's because she can see that I'm here. She knows there's a big, tall creature that's standing close by. Oh, there she is. Oh, look at that. It's not just the mama bird. It's another bird, too. Who do you think the other bird might be?